Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove extension from Chrome on Mac. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The accumulate or auto edit extension or software Chrome are these thingies which may make your Mac run slowly, and some extensions are not compatible with each other. Continue sending advertising pop-up windows or threaten your privacy, greatly distributing your browsing experience. Thus, it is urgent to remove those useless and unwanted browsing extensions from your browser. If you don't know how to delete extension on your Mac, you can follow the step-by-step in this video to remove extension from your Chrome on your MacBook. So it's very simple. So first of all, you can open your browser. I will choose on Chrome. Now you can just click on the extension icon in here, like the puzzle icon. You can just click on that. You can see there's an option manage extension. You can just click on that. So here's all the extension that you have on your Chrome on your MacBook. If you want to remove it, you can see there is an option remove. You can just click on that. You want to remove it, you can just click on remove. So now we have removed that extension from your MacBook. So if someday you want to add that extension again on your Chrome, you can just search for the extension that you want to use on your Chrome, like this, and you can just set up this extension to your MacBook. And if you don't like the extension and want to remove it again, you can just do the same thing like me before. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove extension from Chrome on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.